Hey guys, Max here, and let me ask you this. Do you ever worry that AI robots might someday replace humans entirely? Imagine a future where machines are smarter, faster, and perhaps even better decision makers than we are. Sounds like science fiction, right? But what if I told you it's closer than you think? Today, we're diving into one of the most intriguing questions of our time: humans versus AI robots. Who's really going to dominate the future? I promise to break it down clearly and simply, so by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where we stand. But first, let's talk about why this question matters so much. We all know AI is rapidly advancing. From self-driving cars to AI doctors diagnosing diseases, robots are quickly becoming part of everyday life. But here's the twist. While these advancements are exciting, they're also raising some serious concerns. If AI keeps improving at this pace, could humans eventually become obsolete? Before we get into that, let's quickly clear up one common misunderstanding. AI robots aren't just physical machines like the humanoid robots you see in movies. AI also refers to digital intelligence like Siri, ChatGPT, or Netflix's recommendation algorithms, programs that learn from data and act with minimal human input. But what happens when these systems start outperforming humans in tasks we thought only we could do? Let's look at some examples. Ever heard of DeepMind's AI beating the world's best Go players? A game far more complex than chess? That's already happened. And AI-driven software now regularly beats top human traders on Wall Street, generating profits at speeds no person could match. But here's something you might not realize. These are just early signs of AI's true potential. So what's next? Picture this scenario: an AI system that can manage your entire life, from scheduling meetings to investing money to even planning your meals, better than you can yourself. Sounds convenient, doesn't it? But it also raises an important question. Would you trust AI to handle every aspect of your life? More importantly, should you? Before we answer that, let's explore an even deeper issue: the risk of job loss. It's a big worry, and honestly, it's valid. Experts predict AI will automate millions of jobs, especially in fields like manufacturing, customer service, and transportation. But hold on, because here's the twist you didn't expect. AI isn't just eliminating jobs, it's also creating new ones. Jobs we can't even imagine yet. Think back just 20 years. Did you imagine social media manager or AI prompt engineer would even exist? Probably not. AI will indeed replace routine tasks, but it'll also create exciting opportunities requiring creativity, emotional intelligence, and strategic thinking, skills only humans possess. So yes, some jobs are at risk, but the future is far from bleak. The real question is, how can you make sure you're on the winning side? But let's pause there because there's another critical factor we need to consider: ethics. If AI becomes deeply embedded in society, who decides how it's programmed and used? Imagine an AI judge or police officer making life-changing decisions. How comfortable would you feel about that? These aren't hypotheticals. AI is already influencing legal decisions and policing strategies around the world. But here's the kicker. What if AI learns human biases, making unfair judgments based on race, gender, or economic status? The risk of AI adopting human prejudices is alarmingly real. After all, AI systems learn from historical data reflecting human decisions, good and bad. So how do we prevent AI from perpetuating or even amplifying existing inequalities? The answer might surprise you, and we'll get there shortly. Now, while ethical risks are serious, there's another big issue looming: control. Could we lose control of AI completely? You've probably seen films where robots become uncontrollable or even hostile, but is that possible in reality? Here's the truth. It's not only possible, but experts warn it's a legitimate threat called the alignment problem. Simply put, ensuring AI's goals match human values is incredibly complex. But how likely is this scenario? And more importantly, how can we avoid it? Before answering that, let's consider an even more immediate threat: cybersecurity. With AI's ability to learn and adapt, hackers can now use AI-powered attacks, creating security threats unlike anything we've seen before. Think about it. AI-driven malware that adapts in real time, evading defenses as quickly as they're updated. Sounds scary, right? But there's a twist here as well. AI also gives us powerful new tools to fight these threats. Yes, AI itself might be the key to countering these cyber threats, creating a constant race between attackers and defenders, AI versus AI. But where does that leave us? Caught in the middle or in control? Clearly, AI presents both incredible promise and serious challenges. But let's zoom out for a moment and consider something bigger. What does this mean for humanity itself? Are we heading toward a future where humans and AI work together as partners, or is conflict inevitable? Here's where things get really interesting. Some experts argue that instead of fearing AI, we should embrace the idea of collaborative intelligence, where humans and AI each handle tasks they do best. Imagine combining human creativity, empathy, and intuition with AI's speed, accuracy, and consistency. The possibilities could be limitless, but can we realistically achieve this kind of harmony, or is it just wishful thinking? Stay with me, because in just a moment, I'll reveal exactly how humans and AI might coexist successfully, and why the outcome of this relationship could be the single most important factor determining our future. Imagine this scenario. Doctors and AI robots collaborating seamlessly to diagnose patients in seconds, preventing millions of medical errors. Or artists using AI to enhance creativity, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Sounds amazing, doesn't it? But here's the million-dollar question. How exactly do we achieve this kind of ideal partnership? It all comes down to clearly defined roles and careful boundaries. Humans excel in creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex moral reasoning, areas where AI struggles. AI, on the other hand, dominates tasks involving large-scale data analysis, precision, and repetitive accuracy, things humans often find draining. By splitting tasks based on these strengths, we create a powerful team rather than fierce rivals. But can we truly trust AI to handle critical aspects of our lives, even with clear boundaries? Here's the surprising answer. Yes, but only if we build transparency and accountability into every AI system from day one. That means designing AI systems that explain their decisions clearly, allowing humans to intervene when something doesn't seem right. But who ensures these guidelines are followed? That's where regulation steps in. While many people fear too much control might slow innovation, the right regulation could actually speed things up by ensuring safety and building trust. Think of it this way. Would you board an airplane without strict safety standards and trained pilots? Of course not. In the same way, clear rules around AI use will reassure people, boosting adoption and fostering innovation. So, regulation, paradoxically, might help us embrace AI faster and more safely. Now, let's pivot and discuss a major concern many people have about the future: economic inequality. If AI makes companies more efficient and profitable, who reaps the rewards? The companies alone, or society as a whole? Without careful management, AI could widen the gap between the ultra-rich and everyone else. But here's something exciting. AI could also help address inequality if used responsibly. Imagine AI-driven education accessible to everyone, personalized healthcare affordable for all, or financial advice available to the masses, not just the wealthy. The possibilities for positive impact are huge, but how do we make that happen? It starts with awareness and education. People need to understand how AI works, its risks, and its potential benefits. With knowledge, you can actively advocate for AI use that promotes fairness, equality, and human well-being. Remember, the AI revolution isn't happening in isolation. It's shaped by human choices every day. Your voice matters more than you might think. So let's circle back to our original question. Who ultimately wins in the future? Humans or AI robots? Here's the unexpected twist. The future isn't a winner-takes-all competition. Instead, it's a team sport. The real winners will be those who adapt, collaborate, and integrate AI responsibly into their lives and careers. The losers, sadly, will be those who refuse to evolve, viewing AI solely as a threat rather than an opportunity. But what about you specifically? How can you make sure you're on the winning side? The answer is simpler than you think. Start by actively learning about AI, staying informed about developments in your field, and looking for ways AI can enhance your strengths. Whether you're a teacher, a marketer, an engineer, or even an artist, embracing AI strategically will future-proof your career and amplify your human capabilities. Think about the smartphone revolution. Those who adapted early didn't just survive, they thrived. The AI revolution offers the same opportunity, only bigger. Rather than fearing AI, ask yourself this: how can you partner with AI to accomplish more than you ever imagined? Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap the crucial points. AI's rapid growth brings both incredible opportunities and serious challenges. Yes, jobs will evolve, but new ones will emerge. Yes, AI needs regulation, but that can boost trust and innovation. And yes, humans and AI can coexist, but only if we approach it thoughtfully and responsibly. Ultimately, the future isn't humans versus AI robots. It's humans and AI robots working together, unlocking potential we can't yet imagine. So here's my final question to you. Are you ready to not just witness, but actively shape the exciting partnership between humans and AI? If you found this video valuable, please hit subscribe and ring the notification bell to stay informed. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Are you optimistic about our AI-driven future? Thanks for watching, and here's to embracing the incredible possibilities ahead.